Good morning, East Coast Frank. Back at it again today. It's another beautiful, cold, crisp Monday morning. Got a few jobs on today. Got a sewer line going on. Just pulled up to this one actually. And another job for Nova Scotia Power. So here we go. Cold weather is here. I'm going to be changing this jacket, I can tell you that. I'll be putting on the heavier one here in a second. It is cold out there. Windy, cold, gray. Just another beautiful Nova Scotian day. Anyway, we are going to get at this one and get this one done and move on to the next. So let's go out and see what's going on. So went and had a look. Unfortunately, I can't stay. I have to go back to my computer and have a peek at the video of the original one of this, because they have a good point here with the step. The hydrovac's not here yet, so that actually causes a bit of a problem for us if it is where the video guys laid it out. Anyway, I'm going to go have a peek at the pipe and see how bad the pipe was immediately leaving the house. And there is always the possibility of us lining just that first little section to get us away from those steps if this hydro just does not show up. So, yeah, it's Monday. Let the fun begin. I should also be in Dartmouth right now for the other one, but anyway, I'm not. So I'm going to run back and look at that real quick and then give them an answer and then head to Dartmouth. So the crew just called again. I was just on my way back to go get the video to have a peek, and I told them before I left, just start digging, just start doing something there just to have a peek, because you never know. The video might have been wrong the first time. Anyway, he just called me to tell me that yes, the video was wrong. They actually found the services already within 15 minutes of me leaving. So all good, they are on their way to getting stuff done, which I like. So now that I'm almost back, I'll flip back around and head to Dartmouth and leave those guys do their thing and go see the other Steve in Dartmouth for NSB and Metro Housing and get that one going. And yeah, cross my fingers that nothing else pops up first thing this morning. It's a Monday. It is a Monday. It is a Monday. No two ways about that. Anyway, off to Dartmouth I go. So you see where I mean back here? All they want to do here, but is scratch this off, level this out, and throw it right here. Just drag it over. Right here.
So what's your plan when I go to mulch this?
So I ran through everything with Steve here. He's all good. He's going to get started. We are going to do a bit of mulching here too, so I told him when he gets close to that to give me a call and I'll come back over, because it is in a little bigger, it is in a little bit of a busier area. So I do want to be here to watch and make sure that everybody stays clear of the area while we're doing that work. But yeah. He's just going to start by making a little gravel pad on the left there where he's working now, clearing out to move the container, which is over here. He's going to move that container over there. Going to move that container over there for storage for Metro Housing. And then he's going to switch over to the mulcher head and start getting rid of some of these trees in this lot. Not a lot of them, only a couple. just enough for Nova Scotia Power to have the clearances for their hut they're putting in. And then once that's all done, he'll grub that area off and we'll make a pad. So busy day, busy day. So I'm gonna leave Steve to it for now. I'll come back later when there's some more stuff going on, but right now I gotta go back and figure out about this water line on the sewer line. The crew called me while I was on my way here and said that the water line doesn't look all that great. So I may have to replace that too while we're there. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go back over there and see what's happening. So, after a couple of small hiccups this morning on the sewer line, just leaving here again, the boys are doing phenomenal. They're doing a really good job. Very happy with this one. They did a great job. It's like 20 to 11 and they've already got the pipe in the ground. So, great job, guys. I really appreciate it. You killed it. Just another reason why I love my job. Days like today. Anyway, I am going to go back over to Dartmouth now. The other Steve says he's getting ready to start mulching, so I'm going to go over there and make sure everything's good and safe. And yeah, that'll be it for today. Probably. We'll see. Putting a lot of kilometers on the Ford again today. I should be home driving my new Chev. Anyway. We'll check back in when we get over with Steve. Oh, yeah, that's fine. So Steve is just getting started on the mulching here now. I'm gonna do some spotting for him. So Steve is just about done mulching there now. He's doing really good. I'm gonna take off. All the hard parts are done. So he doesn't need me there watching anymore for pedestrians and stuff. So I'm gonna take off. I'm trying to get this jacket off because now I'm hot. Because the sun oh, I don't even have it unzipped. Oh my. Anyway, I am going to head out and check on that sewer line. I guess they're just about done too. So honestly, today's going really good. Anyway, off I go.